Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save your contacts with iCloud easy tutorial step by step clearly. To save your contacts with iCloud, start by unlocking your iPhone or iPad. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Select iCloud from the list. In the iCloud settings, find the option labeled Contacts. Toggle the switch to the right to enable iCloud for contacts. If prompted, choose Merge to combine any existing contacts stored locally. Now, navigate to your computer and open a web browser. Go to the iCloud website at iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. Once logged in, click on the Contacts icon. You should see all your contacts from your device displayed here. To verify that your contacts are saved, check for any missing entries. If all your contacts are present, they are successfully saved to iCloud. Consider enabling contacts syncing on other Apple devices for seamless access. To do this, repeat the steps through the iCloud settings on those devices. Now your contacts will be synced across all devices using the same Apple ID. Finally, remember to perform regular backups to ensure all your important information is safe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.